Hello everyone, we are going to start Algebra exercise part 4. In this exercise, we are going to do questions based on divisibility of polynomials. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now, what will be the remainder when 27x cubed minus 9x square plus 3x minus 8 is divided by 3x plus 2? And options are option A minus 22, option B plus 22, option C plus 16, and option D minus 6. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. So, we were given that 27x cubed minus 9x square plus 3x minus 8 is divided by 3x plus 2. We have to find the remainder. So putting 3x plus 2 equal to 0, 3x will become equal to minus 2 and x will become minus 2 upon 3. Now if we put this value of x, that is minus 2 upon 3 in the equation, so we need to find the remainder when 27x cubed minus 9x square plus 3x minus 8 is divided by 3x plus 2. So putting the value of x equal to minus 2 upon 3, we are going to get 27 into minus 2 upon 3 whole cube minus 9 minus 2 upon 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 upon 3 minus 8. That is our remainder. So 27 into minus 2 cube is minus 8 upon 3 cube is 27 minus 9 into minus 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 plus 3 into minus 2 upon 3 minus 8. 27 into minus 8 upon 27 is minus 8. Minus 9 into 4 upon 9 is minus 4. Plus 3 into minus 2 upon 3 is minus 2 minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. Minus 12 minus 2 minus 14. Minus 14 minus 8 minus 22. That means the remainder is minus 22. So option number A, minus 22 is the correct answer. Next is, if 2x raised to power m plus x cube minus 3x square minus 26 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder 994 is left. Find the value of m. And options are option A 10, option B 9, option C 11, and option D 8. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find that which one of them is correct. After that, I will do the solution. So on division of 2x raised to power m plus x cube minus 3x square minus 26 from x minus 2, left remainder 994, or we can say x minus 2 is a factor of equation. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. If x minus 2 is 0, then x equal to 2. So putting an equation, in place of x we are putting 2. So 2 into 2 raised to power m plus 8 minus 12 minus 26, that should be equal to 994, because according to the question the remainder was 994. Now 8 minus 12 minus 26 equal to 994 was in the previous equation. So in the next step we will get 2 into 2 raised to power m, that is equal to 1024. So 2 raised to power m is equal to 1024 upon 2, that is 512. Therefore, 2 raised to power m is equal to 2 raised to power 9, because 512 is 2 raised to power 9. So in this equation, the left hand side and the right hand side base is same. So if bases are same, then it means the power should be equal. Therefore, m is equal to 9. Option number B, 9 is the correct answer. Next, on dividing 2x square plus ax plus b by x minus 3, then remainder is 31. And on dividing x square plus bx plus a by x minus 3, the remainder is 24. Then find the value of a plus b will be equal to option A minus 7, option B 20, option C minus 23, and option D 7. These are the options. So we have two equations, 2x square plus ax plus b, and next is x square plus bx plus a. Dividing to both equation from x minus 3, left remainder is 31 and 24 respectively. So a factor of both the equation is x minus 3. Therefore, putting x equal to 3 in both equations. From equation 1, 2 into 9 plus a into 3 plus b equal to 31. Therefore, 3a plus b is equal to 13. That is equation 3. Now from equation 2, 9 plus 3b plus a is equal to 24. Therefore, a plus 3b is equal to 24 minus 9 is 15. That is our equation 4. So equation 4 into 3, it means multiplying equation 4 by 3, we get 3a plus 9b is equal to 15 into 3 is 45. Subtracting equation 4 to equation 3rd, we get 3a plus 9b equal to 45, equation 5, and 3a plus b equal to 13, equation 6. By subtracting 6 from 5, we get 8b is equal to 32. Therefore, b is equal to 4. Now putting the value of b in equation 3rd, 3a plus 4 equal to 13. That means 3a is equal to 13 minus 4, that is 9. Then a is equal to 9 upon 3, that is 3. So a is 3 and b was 4. That means the value of a plus b is 3 plus 4, 7. So option number D, 7 is the correct answer. Next is on dividing 4x power 6 minus 5x cube minus 3 by x cube minus 2, the remainder left is. And options are option A 3, option B 0, option C 1, and option D. These are the remainders. So dividing 4x raised to power 6 minus 5x cube minus 3 to x cube minus 2. Therefore, we can say x cube minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 raised to power 1 upon 3. Therefore, putting the value of x in the equation, 4 into 2 raised to power 1 upon 3 whole power 6 minus 5 into 2 raised to power 1 upon 3 whole power 3 minus 3. We have put the value of x in the given equation. Now 4 into 1 upon 3 into 6 is square, so 2 square minus 5 into 1 upon 3 and 3 will cancel out, so 2 raised to power 1 only minus 3. 2 square is 4, 4 into 4 is 16, minus 5 into 2 is 10, minus 3. That is equal to 16 minus 10 is 6, minus 3 equal to 3. Therefore, 3 remainder is left. Option number A, 3 is the correct answer. Next, when x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 7, the remainder left is 35. And when x square plus bx plus a is divided by x minus 7, the remainder is 31. Then a plus b is equal to, and options are option A 3, option B 4, option C minus 3, and option D minus 4. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. So dividing x square plus ax plus b from x minus 7, remainder is 35, or putting x equal to 7 in the equation, we get 7 square plus 7a plus b equal to 35. So 7a plus b is equal to 35 minus 7 square will go to the opposite side, it will become minus 49. Therefore 7a plus b is equal to 35 minus 49 is minus 14. So we get our first equation. Again dividing x square plus bx plus a from x minus 7, this time the remainder is 31. It means when we put the value of x equal to 7 in the equation, then the remainder is 31. Therefore, in place of x, we are going to put the value of x as 7. 7 square plus 7b plus a is equal to 31. A plus 7b is equal to 31 minus 7 square is 49. So a plus 7b is equal to 31 minus 49 is minus 18. So we have got our second equation. Adding equation 1 and 2. 7a plus b equal to minus 14. A plus 7b equal to minus 8. We get 8a plus 8b equal to minus 32. We have added both of these equations, equation 1 as well as equation 2. On adding these two equations, we are getting 8a plus 8b equal to minus 32. Taking 8 common, we get a plus b equal to minus 32. We have to find the value of a plus b. So the value of a plus b is minus 32 upon 8, that is minus 4. So option number D, minus 4 is the correct answer. Next, if 2x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 3, that leaves a remainder of 35. And when 2x square plus bx plus a is divided by x minus 3, leaves a remainder of 29. Then the value of a plus b will be option A minus 7, option B minus 23, option C 7, and option D 23. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. So we were given the equation 2x square plus ax plus b, and it leaved a remainder of 35. That should be equal to 25. Then 2x square plus bx plus a was the another equation, and when divided by x minus 3, it was leaving a remainder of 29. That is equal to 29. So putting the value of x equal to 3, because both the equation on dividing by x minus 3 were leaving the remainders. That means on putting the value of x equal to 3 in equation 1 and 2, these are the two equations 1 and 2. We get 18 plus 3a plus b equal to 35 from the first, and 3a. So before putting the value of 3 in the second equation, let us simplify this equation. This is going to be 3a plus b equal to 35 minus 18, that is 17. That is our third equation. 18 plus 3b plus a equal to 29. We have put the value of x as 3 in the second equation. So we have got 3b plus a equal to 11 as our fourth equation. So adding equation 3 and equation 4, 4a plus 4b equal to 28 is what we got. Therefore, if 4a plus 4b equal to 28, then a plus b is equal to 28 upon 4, that is 7. We have to find the value of a plus b. Therefore, a plus b is 7. Option number C is the correct answer. Next, if the value of k, for which x square plus 5kx plus k square plus 5 is completely divisible by x plus 2, but not divisible by x plus 3. Options are option A, neither 1 nor 9, option B, both 1 and 9, and option C 1 and option D 9. These are the options. And you have 10 seconds to find that which one of them is correct. After that, I will do the solution. So the equation was x square plus 5kx plus k square plus 5. And from x plus 2, it is completely divisible. Therefore, putting the value of x equal to minus 2, the remainder should be equal to 0. Therefore, in place of x, we are going to put minus 2. minus 2 square plus 5 into k into x is minus 2 plus k square plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2 square is 4. 5k into minus 2 is minus 10k plus k square plus 5 equal to 0. K square minus 10k plus 5 plus 4 is plus 9, that is equal to 0. So we have factorized this quadratic equation and we have got two factors k minus 9 k and k minus 1, that is equal to 0. If k minus 9 and k minus 1 is equal to 0, then k can be 9 or 1. So putting k equal to 9 in x square plus 5kx plus k square plus 5, we have got x square plus 9 into 5 is 45x plus 81 plus 5. That is x square plus 45x plus 81 plus 5 is 86. So after factorization, we have get x into x plus 43 plus twice of x plus 43. So x plus 43 into x plus 2 is what we have got. So putting k equal to 1, x square plus 5x plus 1 plus 5, x square plus 5x plus 5 plus 1 is 6. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic equation and it has been factorized as x plus 3 into x plus 2. But from x plus 3, it is not divisible. It is completely divisible by x plus 2, but not by x plus 3. Therefore, but from x plus 3 is not divisible. Therefore, k is equal to 9. Option number D is the correct answer. Next, if 2x square plus ax plus 2b is when divided by x minus 1, leaves remainder 16, and when x square plus bx plus 2a is divided by x plus 1, leaves remainder minus 1, then a plus b is equal to. Options are option number A minus 8, option B minus 14, option C 14, and option D 8. These are the options. Now, in these equations, in these questions, which to divide, out of that keep the value of x in equation and write a remainder equal to new equation 2x square plus ax plus 2b. So putting x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Therefore, putting the value of 1 in the equation, we get 2 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 2b equal to 16, because the remainder that was leaving was 16. Therefore, 2 plus a plus 2b is equal to 16, and a plus 2b is equal to 16 minus 2, that is 14. That is our equation 1. X square plus bx plus 2a was our next equation, and it is divisible by x plus 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0. So putting the value of x equal to minus 1, because from this equation x equal to minus 1, in this equation we get minus 1 square plus b into minus 1 plus 2a equal to minus 1, because it was leaving remainder minus 1. Therefore, 2a minus b equal to minus 2. So equation 1 plus twice of equation second is going to be 4a minus 2b equal to minus 4. Then 5a equal to 10. If we add this equation and this equation, 4a plus a is 5a, and plus 2b minus 2b is 0, and 14 minus 4 is 10. Therefore, 5a is equal to 10. Therefore, a is equal to 10 upon 5, 2. Putting the value of a in equation 1, 2 plus 2b is equal to 14, and 2b is equal to 12. So b is equal to 12 upon 2, that is 6. Then we have to find a plus b. A plus b is going to be 2 plus 6, because a was 2 and b is 6. Therefore, a plus b is 6 plus 2, 8. Option number D, 8 is the correct answer. Next is, if 3x square plus ax plus 4 is completely divisible by x minus 8, then the value of a will be option A minus 24.5, option B 25.5, option C 24.5, and option D minus 25.5. These are the options. Putting x equal to 8 in given equation, 3x square plus ax plus 4 equal to 0. X minus 8 is 0, then x equal to 8. So putting the value of x equal to 8 in the equation, we have 3 into 8 square is 64 plus a into x is 8. So a into 8 plus 4 equal to 0. 64 into 3 is 192 plus 8 into a is 8a plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, 8a is equal to minus 192 minus y minus 4, that is y minus 196. So if 8a is equal to minus 196, then a is going to be 1 minus 196 upon 8, that is minus 24.5. So the value of a is minus 24.5. Option number A is the correct answer. Next, if 4x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 8 is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder will be option A 16, option B 26, option C 42, and option D 81. So we need to find remainder if 4x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 8 is divided by x minus 2. So by putting x equal to 2 in expression 4x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 8, we get 4 into 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 8. 4 into 2 cube is 8 minus 2 into 2 square is 4 plus 5 into 2 is 10 minus 8. 8 into 4 is 32 minus 4 into 2 is 8 plus 10 minus 8 is plus 2. So 32 minus 8 plus 2 is 26. That means the remainder is 26. So option number B, 26 is the correct answer. Next is find the value of A when the polynomial is px equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 2ax plus 3, where a is the constant which divided by x square plus 1, the remainder is equal to minus 5x. Option A 3, option B minus 2, option C 2, option D minus 3. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find that which one of them is correct. After that, I will do the solution. So polynomial was x cube plus 3x square minus 2ax plus 3. Remainder on dividend was minus 5x. So remainder theorem, x square plus 1 equal to 0. According to the remainder theorem, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So putting the value of x square equal to minus 1 in the polynomial, the polynomial was x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 3. So that can be x square into x plus 3x square minus 2ax plus 3. So in place of x square, we are going to put minus 1. So minus 1 into x plus 3 into minus x square is minus 1 minus 2ax plus 3 equal to minus 5x. So x square is minus 1 into x plus 3 into x square is minus 1 minus 2x plus 3 equal to minus 5x, because remainder was equal to minus 5x. Therefore, minus x minus 3 minus 2ax plus 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 2ax equal to minus 4x. Therefore, a is equal to 2 because x will cancel out x, minus 2 will cancel out minus 4 by 2. Therefore, we will get only a equal to 2. So option number C, 2 is the correct answer. Next is when 3x square plus 2ax plus 4b is divided by x plus 3, it leaves a remainder of 15. And when 2x square plus 3bx plus 5a is divided by x minus 3, leaves a remainder 65. Then the value of a plus b is option A 9, option B 6, option C 7, and option D 11. These are the options. So first expression was 3x square plus 2ax plus 4b, and second expression was 2x square plus 3bx plus 5a. When x plus 3 is divided by first expression, then remainder was 15. Therefore, putting the value of x as minus 3 in the first expression, we get 3 into minus 3 square plus 2a into minus 3 plus 4b equal to 15. So 3 square is 9 into 3 is 27. Minus 3 square is plus 3, so we get plus 27. 3 minus 3 into 2a is minus 6a plus 4b is equal to 15. Therefore, 6a minus 4b is equal to 27 minus 15 is 12. Therefore, taking 2 common, we get 3a minus 2b is equal to 6. Now divide x minus 3 from second expression. Remainder was 65. So putting the value of x equal to 3 in the second equation, we get 2 into 3 square plus 3b into 3 plus 5a equal to 65. 3 square is 9. 9 into 2 is 18 plus 3 into 3 is 9b plus 5a equal to 65. Then we have 5a plus 9b is equal to 65 minus 18 is 47. That is equation 2. So equation 1 into 9, equation 2 into 2, we get 27 minus 18b equal to 54 and 10a plus 18b equal to 94. By adding the above two equations, we get 37a is equal to 54 plus 94 is 148. Therefore, if 37a is equal to 148, then a is equal to 4. Putting the value of a in equation 1, 3a minus 2b is equal to 6. So putting the value of a, 3 into 4 minus 2b is equal to 6. 3 into 4 is 12 minus 6 is equal to 2b. 12 minus 6 is 6, that is 6 equal to 2b, then b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3. We have to find the value of a plus b. So a plus b is 3 plus 4, that is 7. Option number C, 7 is the correct answer. Next is on dividing 4x cube minus 5x cube minus 3 by x cube minus 2 leaves a remainder. And options are option A 3, option B 2, option C 0, and option D 1. These are the options. So, according to the question, when we divide 4x power 6 minus 5x cube minus 3 by x cube minus 2, then what is the remainder? Then on dividing 4x power 6 minus 5x cube minus 3 by x cube minus 2, first we will divide by 4x cube. So 4x cube into x cube minus 2 is 4x power 6 minus 8x cube. 4x power 6 minus 4x power 6 is 0, and minus 5x cube plus 8x cube is 3x cube. Minus 3 will written as it is. Then by 3, 3 into x cube minus 2 is 3x cube minus 6. Therefore, 3x cube minus 3x cube is 0, but minus 3 minus minus 6 is plus 6. So minus 3 plus 6 is 3. So the remainder is 3. So the remainder will be 3. Option number A is the correct answer. Next, if 3x square plus ax minus 12 is completely divisible by x minus 8, then the value of a is option A minus 24.5, option B 22.5, option C 24.5, and option D minus 22.5. These are the options. So we have the equation 3x square plus ax minus 12, that is equation 1. Equation 1 is totally divisible by x minus 8. Therefore, putting x equal to 8, we get 3 into 8 square plus a into 8 minus 12 equal to 0. 3 into 8 square is 64 plus 8 into a is 8a minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, 8a is equal to minus 12, or going to that side will become plus 12, and 3 into 64 is 92. Therefore, 12 minus 192 is equal to 8a. Therefore, 8a is equal to minus 180, and a is equal to minus 180 upon 8, that is minus 22.5. Option number D, minus 22.5 is the correct answer. Next, if 3x square plus ax plus 7 is completely divisible by x minus 1, then the value of a is. Options are option A minus 10.6, option B minus 10.5, option C minus 10, and option D minus 3. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find that which one of them is correct. After that, I will do the solution. Equation 3x square plus ax plus 7 is divisible by x minus 1. Then x minus 1 equal to 0. So putting x equal to 1, we get 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 7 equal to 0. 3 plus a plus 7 equal to 0. Then a is equal to 7 plus 3, 3 is 10. But after going to the right hand side, it will become minus 10. Therefore, a is minus 10. Option number C is the correct answer. Next, if 4x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 8 is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is. And options are option A 43, option B 16, option C 26, and option D 25. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find that which one of them is correct. After that, I will do the solution. X minus 2 equal to 0. Because when this equation is divided by x minus 2, we have to find that what is the remainder then. So if x minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to 2. Putting the value of x in the given expression, remainder is equal to 4 into, in place of x, we are going to put 2. So 4 into 2 cube minus 2 into x square becomes 2 square plus 5 into x is 5 into 2 minus 8. 4 into 2 cube is 8 minus 2 into 2 square is 4 plus 5 into 2 minus 8. 8 into 4 is 32 minus 4 into 2 is 8 plus 5 into 2 is 10 minus 8. 32 plus 10 is 42 minus 8 minus 8 is minus 16. So 42 minus 16 is 26. Therefore, we can say the remainder is equal to 26. Option number C is the correct answer. Next, 15y cube minus 30y square plus 12y minus 12 is divided by 3y minus 6. What will be the remainder? And options are option A 6, option B 36, option C 30, and option D 12. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Because 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, then 3y equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 2. 6 upon 3, 2. Putting the value of y in the expression, we get 15 into 2 cube minus 30 into 2 square plus 12 into 2 minus 12. So 15 into 2 cube is 8 minus 30 into 2 square is 4 plus 12 into 2 is 24 minus 12. 15 into 8 is 120 minus 40 into 30 into 4 is minus 120 plus 24 minus 12 is 12. So 120 minus 120 is 0. Then we get only 12. So the remainder will be 12. Option number D, 12 is the correct answer. Next, if x square plus ax plus b when divided by x minus 4 left a remainder of 32 and x square plus bx plus a when divided by x minus 4 left a remainder of 35, then a plus b is how much? Options are option A minus 7, option B 23, option C minus 23, and option D plus 7. These are the options. When x square plus ax plus b divided by x minus 4, remainder is equal to 32. Therefore, 4 square plus a into 4 plus b is equal to 32. This thing is 16 plus 4a plus b equal to 30. Therefore, 4a plus b is equal to 32 minus 16, that is 16. Then we have when x square plus bx plus a divided by x minus 4, remainder is 35. Therefore, putting the value of x as 4, we get 4 square plus b into 4 plus a equal to 35. Then 4b plus a becomes equal to 19, that is equation 2. So from first plus equation second, we get 5a plus 5b equal to 35. Therefore, a plus b is 35 upon 5, that is 7. Therefore, option number D is the correct answer. Next, if x square plus ax plus b divided by x plus 3, then the remaining minus 1 is obtained, and the expression x square plus bx plus a when divided by x minus 3, then the remaining 39 is obtained. What is the value of a plus b? And options are option A minus 14, option B minus 38, option C 14, and option D 38. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. The equation was x square plus ax plus b, and it was leaving remainder equal to minus 1. So putting x equal to minus 3 in this equation, we get 9 minus 3a plus b equal to minus 1. Therefore, b minus 3a is equal to minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. That is equation 1. Second one was x square plus bx plus a equal to 39, because it was leaving remainder 39 when dividing by x minus 3. Therefore, putting x equal to 3 in the equation, we get 9 plus 3b plus a equal to 39, or 3b plus a is equal to 39 minus 9 is 30. Solving equation from 1 and 2, we get a equal to 6 and b equal to 8. This is our equation number 2. So if a equal to 6, b equal to 8, then a plus b is equal to 6 plus 8, that is 14. Option number C is the correct answer. So these were the questions. I hope you have understood the concept and the questions well. Thank you very much for joining the session.